You wouldn't believe if I told you that it is 5:30 a.m. the next day. So the last clip you saw, I think, were some clips of us at Skytree. Right after that, we spent some more time at Skytree. We took some, you know, like the photos and stuff that they had there, and then we started to make our way home around sometime after 7 or 2, you know, minutes to 8 o'clock. Yeah, we got home at about 9:30 thereabout, and ever since we came in, we have been working like Portia Simsamila, because tomorrow is Aiden's party, or today actually is Aiden's party, and we were like, we have to get like majority of the stuff done while the house is, well, while Aiden is sleeping. Adam has his online stuff doing tomorrow, so he went to bed maybe around 3 o'clock there, 3 a.m. thereabout, and we have been up. We got a lot done in terms of like the setup and all of that, and then it was like after 4 a.m. and we were like, why not just continue, just stay the course, stay strong, like instead of sleep at 4, because the thing is, you know, we go to sleep at 4 and then Aiden wakes up at like around 7:30. Even though some sleep is better than no sleep, it's like the disturb, because our bodies are so tired, it's like breaking that sleep to just, you know, it just seemed like a better idea for us to like cook dinner at 5 a.m. in the morning. So
That's what we do.
we have been so busy like doing the birthday prepping stuff that we didn't even take a shower when we got in. So when everything was set up for the party, we decided to break and take a shower and just give our feet a little, you know, sit down a little bit. And then now we're back in the kitchen and we're cooking dinner. We're cooking some gungo peas and rice, and then we're gonna do some curry chicken for our Sunday dinner. But also at the party, we're gonna give the guests just a little bite, like appetizer, you know, of the Jamaican Korean, you know, just Jamaican cuisine, because majority of the persons coming are Japanese. Don't ask me why. Like majority of my mom friends are Japanese at this point. Like my Jamaican friends either don't have kids or they live far away. There's one Jamaican family friend that is coming with his family, so we hope to see them. But yeah, that's what's happening. It's like 5:30, they're about 6 by the time we wrap up cooking this dinner. You know, somebody like Aiden and Anna, the boys will be awake, and then the day's gonna be started, and me and my sister, we're on 0 sleep. And it's even worse for my sister because she's been up since 5 a.m, you know, the day before. So you know, so
still have energy though.
yeah, we still have energy, we're still going. We're item heavy, but
my knees them
weak. I mean, foot bottom about me, but the show goes on. I have been munching on like some birthday cake scrap. That's a whole other thing. Like bake the cake and then check the cake. I was baking it in my new oven that my sister bought me, and bake the cake, check the cake. It came out clean, and then when it was cooling, I realized that it was sinking, and then I'm like, this is strange, but I didn't really like think anything of it. When I was attempting to like transfer it though, liquid started running out of the cake. So put it back in the oven for a little bit, take it back out, and then it's split into pieces. So instead of a three-tier cake, we're doing two tiers, and I am not doing any cupcakes anymore. And whatever, like, anyway, my guy papa at this point, like, at this point, I don't care. It's like, once Eden get to blow his candle, I will sing happy birthday, that's it. That's it. Yeah, man. So, that is what we're up to right now. Sis is on the meat, and I am on the rice. And then after we wrap up this, as I said, the house will be up, so we probably are going to head into breakfast. Right into breakfast, and then once we wash up that and clean up breakfast, you know, sis. We don't have nothing else to do, you know. We just need to pick up the house. Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah.
That is the aim.
Yeah, we can sit down, you know, and stress free and just wait on
Not
party
bustle
time.
and shuffle and
Right,
go
right,
relax
right.
until the people that start rolling.
Right. We do need to go to Dyson to get like one tablecloth.
I thought like 30 minutes out of
Right. Right, so not a big deal, but yeah, we're out.
We're here.
We're here.
Outside.
We're outside. We're
inside.
inside. And we are doing a bag of things. Yeah, so, you know.
We're strong enough.
Oh my god.
You better put some respect on it.
100%. We could have chose to go to sleep and just hustle it out tomorrow. But we wanted it done tonight.
Yeah.
This morning.
See, as food still fresh. Same day cooking.
Same day cooking, is it true?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna spin the camera around and show you what we did and what's happening in here. I'm at the stage in the morning where if I blink too hard, I know so open back. I know open back. It's shut tight. But this is what we did. My sis did the balloon arch. She and Adam figured out that whole situation while I was baking the cakes. And because I don't have like one big giant slab of white wall, we decided to just hang a sheet, a white sheet behind there to like create a background, and then hang the balloon arch the best way that we could. Like, even if it does not look good to you, trust me, we tried so many different things to get this thing to stick up there, and this was the result. This was the best thing, you know. And right now, if breeze blow it too hard, it might drop. So
Keep the door that blood.
right, it's not in a cool ear. So this is what we have. The birthday theme is Chugga Chugga Choo Choo. As you can see, it's a play on Chugga Chugga Choo Choo for trains. And yeah, we had a number 2 balloon sign right there, but it fell down and it's deflated a little bit. So a little bit before the party, we'll sort that out so that it could possibly last. And then these balloons here, I'm going to put at the entrance of the street where we live, so that the people come in know which street to turn. And this is the table setup. The cake is gonna go in the middle, of course, and we have the plates and cups and all of that. This is the cake topper. AIDEN'S candle. These are cupcake toppers, but I'm not gonna be making cupcakes anymore. So our quick fix is when we give guests the slice of cake, I'm gonna stick this in there, and that's what we are going to do. Now, this table right here is our new TV stand that is already doing some multi-purpose stuff. So the idea for this right here is for people to put the food on, because I do not know if I said it or not, but the party is a potluck. So everyone that's coming was asked to bring something delicious for everyone to enjoy. Their choice on what to make. We don't eat chicken or pork, so we told them that.
Chicken or pork?
Oh my god! We do eat chicken.
It's okay. Sleep deprived.
Oh my god! I'm sleep deprived, you guys. We do eat chicken. We don't eat seafood and pork. Seafood like shellfish and all of that. Fish we'll eat, but Adam is a Seventh-day Adventist, and by extension I am also that. So we told them that there are no allergies, so I'm very interested to see what they will bring. I am interested to see if they'll bring homemade stuff, or they're gonna go the store-bought route. I don't know. I am interested to see. Hopefully there's some good dishes in there. Yeah, so potluck style, everybody coming in is gonna bring something. So this is what this table is gonna be used for, to just land the food, pack up the food right here. So yeah, apart from that, nothing else. oh my god, I'm so like close. Apart from that, nothing else is happening right now. We're just kind of like trying to not fall asleep while cooking. Sis is in the kitchen.
Yes, yes.
Dealing with the chicken.
Yes, yes.
Because we are going curry for the geeking.
Sister, you're a big artist.
While sleeping. Oh my god. So yeah, sissy. Listen guys, don't mind how we look. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. No one cares. Like we just, you know, we inside and we're just trying to get things done. Alright, so I'll pick up the camera around party time because I really don't feel as if I want to like, you know, like take up the camera before that because nothing is gonna be happening anyway. Just a regular Sunday, I guess, and trying to keep Aiden from all of these balloons. So I'll see you at the party. I went out into the hallway just now to get like a garbage bag, and then I peeped through the window and I realized that it was actually starting to light. Oh, like it's done. It's done. Almost 6 a.m. It's like 5:55 a.m. And just like, you know, as YouTubers, you know, people can edit stuff. So let me just actually show you outside. Can you even see it? Yeah, look at that. It's
Sun, ash, rise.
The sun is rising. I hear the train outside running. Like,
Morning.
I can't believe it is. Like, actually, like,
we have a plan for this night, see?
Yeah.
It come without even knowing. Because our plans are to stay up one night.
Wait.
But now we're not start watching TV yet.
Oh my
We're more progressive than watching TV.
Oh my god. But you know what? We have a plan to recover later, which is clean up as we go today, as much as we can. When Aiden goes to bed tonight, I usually take a shower with Aiden while he is like showering. That is going to be my game plan as well. Vanessa do her thing right after that, and then by the time I put Aiden to sleep,
we shall be good.
Lights out. Like it doesn't matter what's left to be done. Like we told ourselves like tonight, whatever left, do tomorrow, Monday.
That is right.
When Aiden gonna daycare, we can just like do whatever we're doing. But we definitely need to recover from
this.
Plus everything else that we have, like the up and down, man. Today was stressful. Yeah.
We'll walk
yeah. We'll walk, we'll drive. The GPS stressed me out. Like, it was a hot mess.
Yeah, and that couldn't break our spirit anyways.
Exactly. You know, we were like, we're out here, so we're gonna stay out and we're gonna do what we came here to do. And it was good. Sis really liked seeing the view from Tokyo Skytree, so it's a win. Okay, it's a win. Aiden tolerated the car seat with snacks and like cocoa melon and stuff, but it seems as if he doesn't like the car seat, which makes me nervous because we plan to get a car. But hopefully, you know, it doesn't take too long for him to be fine with it. And he did not sleep a wink. Like, Aiden's eyes did not close until around 8, sometime after 8 today. And he had been up since about 7:30 or 8 the day, yesterday. So, he passed out in the car. And I'm going to insert a picture here, a picture that I took of him. Like, his mouth was open, like he was dead asleep. He was like,
dead tired.
Dead asleep. And I was really worried about the transfer, like, you know, him waking up when we got home and all of that. But he transferred just fine and he has not woken up since. So that's been good. He's getting some rest. But yeah, I said I wasn't gonna come back on here now, but I needed to show you the outside getting bright. So yeah, I'll see you at the party now, okay? Alright guys, we are officially starting the birthday vlog right here because it is 10 past 3 p.m. The party starts at 3:30, so we're expecting people to start arriving pretty soon. Luckily, we have got the house pretty much set up. My sister is getting dressed, Adam is dressed, Aiden is dressed, and I just got finished getting dressed. So we are basically ready to start. hosting people. I really love my outfit today. I'm going to give you like a full view here shortly. But to be honest, everything has gone well so far. But I am a little bit anxious because Aiden has not napped all day. He just has had high energy. But since recently, he has started fussing a little bit. So it's like he needs a nap. But it's like I'm hoping to the heavens that when the kids arrive and, you know, he plays and all of that, that he will, his mood will turn around playing with people. Or it might go the opposite way and he might just start screaming because people are playing with his stuff. I don't know, but we're hoping for the best. Let me show you what we have going on. So this is the extra table that I said for the potluck, where we're gonna put all the food that people bring here. We shared out some of our gungo peas and rice and curry chicken for them to get a, you know, a little whiff of Jamaican food. There we have our drink set up. I'm gonna open the ice and put it in that white thing there. We have some water there, and then over on the main table we have the birthday cake and just like some little snacky snack and toppings. These are supposed to be in the cupcakes, so since we didn't make cupcakes, I just put them there, and then when we share the cake, we're gonna like stick it in there. And then these are the servingware, and then this is the setup. So that balloon right there, I'm gonna put it back up there. It fell down, and then we just have the slide in the middle here for if the kids want to play, and then we have this little table that we're going to put like some card packs, some playing cards on, and that is basically it for the setup. We have pushed down our rental car down here so that cars can park in our parking lot there. But yeah, that is about it for the setup as it is right now. Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Show my outfit too.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, bitch. Come this way. Alright.
Let me see. So let me see.
Whoa. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Alright.
That excitement will be enough to make you forget that you have a child.
パパなの？違うよ、ママとパパ。あれ？みんなママとパパって言いたいんだね。男の人と男の人と女の人の別の相手。ジジあ、髪の毛白いから。ジジは正解だね。
Alright, so we'll start. To begin, I just want to offer a short prayer as we do to start everything. I hope that's good with everyone. So, let's pray. Dear God, we thank you for the opportunity that you've given us to meet with our family and friends here in Japan. We thank you for Aiden. We thank you for the support that he has and that we have. And we ask that you will bless the celebration today and just have us enjoy our time today. Amen. Thank you. So, we... yeah. Oh, that's how you usually end. Oh, I see. Well, from now, we can just eat whatever. And we have some playing cards if you want to play. The kids can use some things around. And there's one like group game I want us to try. I don't know if you know Heads Up. A little bit like charades.
Oh, okay.
I have it's on my phone, so we can do it pretty easily. So we can try that while the kids do kid stuff if they want.
Alright, and then too, I want to thank everyone for bringing the snacks and the food to help feed everybody today. We appreciate it. And as a little surprise, we did prepare a little bit of a Jamaican meal. So we have some Jamaican gungo peas. I know you're excited about that. You're so excited. Yeah, so we have some Jamaican gungo peas and rice with some curry chicken, so some Jamaican curry chicken. Yes, so everyone can have a little taste of that. That's where, you know, that's a taste of where we come from and the food that we enjoy back home. Alright?
And for the first few minutes while we're eating, if you have a kind of toast for Aiden or anything to say to him or about him,
We can sing happy birthday.
please. After the song. Yeah.
I think probably we should do the happy birthday now.
Happy birthday first.
Uh-huh.
And then the toasting and
No.
eating. Okay, so happy birthday and then toasting and eating.
If he wants to sit there.
Aiden, will you sit down?
Yeah.
Oh! Your second birthday? Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, yeah.
落とさないでくれ。
めっちゃケーキまみれ。ケーキまみれになりそうな気がするけどね。
Two. He's silent. You can see the train. Okay.
Alright, so let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aiden. Happy birthday to you.
Got it shine.
Make a wish.
He don't let the candle.
No, he can't blow it. Aiden, his favorite character right now is Coco Melon, so we want to play the happy birthday song.
Yeah, we can sing along, right?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aiden. Happy birthday to you. All right. All right. For being a part of our life, we appreciate it. And then to Yayo is right, left is right. Over here is Erica and her husband Jimmy and her two children Kaito and Rikito. Erica I also met at a playgroup. Yeah, and ever since then we've become good friends. We've bonded a lot. And I think our children are cousins or something because we're one big like happy friendship family. I love it. So thank you for coming too. And then over here is Chinami and Baba-san. So they're the Babas, okay? And Chinami I met when I was pregnant. My very first time visiting Samejima Bonding Clinic. That's where I had Aiden. And she was very kind to us because we didn't understand Japanese and all of that. She helped us. And since then, we have officially named them Aiden's Japanese grandparents. Yeah, they're the grandparents from away from home. Yeah. So they've been very helpful to us also in our life here in Japan, you know, making things a little easier for us. So I want to thank each and every one of you for, you know, doing the best you can to help us whenever we like send a message or something. We really appreciate it, and we're happy that you're here today to celebrate Aiden. All right. Okay.
I want to say also thank you guys for opening up to my sister and her husband and baby Aiden, you know, because they're here by themselves, you know that can be very lonely and everything. So I really do appreciate that from my family to yours. Thank you guys so much.
All right. So let's get the party started. Okay. Erica. Kawaii.
すごいね。器用だな。
Bashir is Muslim. Karang na ako.
Very shy.
So I had to, there was the Greyhawk to New Jersey.
Yes, curry chicken.
By the way, so like, do you ever make jerk chicken?
Yes, we
Oh
do.
yeah.
Is it? Oh, that's what seasonings is kind of hard to find, no?
Actually, we can get it in Cali.
Like Caldi.
Cali Coffee Farm,
okay,
yeah,
yeah.
they usually bring the jerk seasoning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It looks like this.
Hey, baby.
Okay.
See you soon.
Okay. Is everybody fed?
Are we all eating?
Okay.
All
Okay.
eating.
Awesome.
We can have more soba, more chicken, and if you need
Like a noodle. Oh, it's dumplings. It's Jamaican dumplings, yeah.
I've never tasted.
Yeah. Yeah, Jamaican dumplings.
like that you
Like gyoza, yeah, but with no stuffing.
like gyoza.
Yeah. Flour.
Only flour and
Water and a little sauce.
Easy to make.
Never seen and tasted.
Oh, wow.
So
Yeah.
curious
You make
about
a big one for dinner. Big one.
Oh.
Dump maybe 3 or 4. And some chicken or something. Finish.
I see.
Easy dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, good job.
Tongs. Tongs.
Guys, my sister's a whole mama out here, child. A whole mother. And her mom friend, so nice.
Yeah, he was very interested, but then coming back from Tokyo, it kind of stressed us out a little bit. Like the cheap flight, yeah.
We can do a chair for him, and if we have toasts for Aiden, we can do it at that time. And after that, there's one group activity I want us to do, and then free for all.
Yeah.
Free for all.
Aiden, you are free to
We
stay.
have a few games and stuff. We can just chat and just do whatever we want. So Aiden, can you cut the cake?
Look, where the knife is.
Alright. Cool. Let's go. Aiden, go.
Alright, alright, so on the count of 3, Aiden is gonna cut. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Down.
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 You will finish
Down.
talking.
Aiden, pull. Pull. Wrong way. Down, down, down. Good job. The cheeses, early.
美味しい。すごいしっとりしてる。美味しい。
Ah, thank you.
Homemade cake.
Yeah, it's good.
Thank you.
It tastes too good.
Too good?
How much time did it take?
In total, maybe an hour and a half, maybe.
So short of a time?
Yeah.
It tastes so good.
Thank you, Jaden.
Talker.
You like it too, though. Good. You can go.
Yeah, he loves the cake.
Yeah. 動いちゃってる。しかも大人、おとなしいね。
Yeah.
すごい静か。いい子。
Happy birthday, Aiden, from look, Jimmy and Erica and Kelsey and Rico. Happy birthday! Yay! Thank you. Wow! Yes.
I understand.
Open here. Open here. Maybe a blossom the beast. I'm not even. Wow!
Here it is. Here this one. Yeah. Here,
오, 괜찮아?
The fight of the kids.
You can't money from me was Japanese food. I don't
Oh, he's gonna love this.
I know he left me.
Yeah.
Guys, the party is officially over and we are just sitting down to eat. But we've made this food from morning. You guys saw we were up until like Vanessa went to bed at 7:30. I went to bed maybe
like 6.
yeah, maybe at 1:30 before she came out of the kitchen. And this is like the first good meal we're having, and we have not slept yet, and we're tired, but it's that we're running on adrenaline at this point. So we're enjoying some leftover food. Guys, me said a curry chicken will cook. If we never set up strong, it would have gone. Would have done dinner today. The Japanese friends that came to the party, they really enjoyed the curry chicken and the gungo rice and peas, you know. They were asking questions about the dump, because my sister put dumpling in it. Because why? Actually, it's a first the experience, like, you know, the little spinners in the curry. It's a good idea and a nice way to stretch your curry. Usually I put potatoes, but the dumpling, very good idea because I love dumplings. But some of my friends were curious about the dumplings, others were curious about the spices that we use, what's in the rice, all of that stuff. It was a hit. It was a big hit. It was a good time. But I'm going to explain to you everything about the party. I'm going to get this in my belly. When I get to go sleep, I'll come back and I'll recap with you what happened. But just know that it was 1000% a success. Everything was good. Everybody came, they showed up. Aiden had so much fun. He played his heart out. He shared his toys with, you know, his friends, and everything was great. It was a good time. So I'll recap what happened maybe tomorrow once we get some rest. But for right now, we're gonna eat, maybe chillax a little bit, and then head to bed ASAP. To be like we said in the beginning, we're not planning to pick up the house tonight. Vanessa was smart, and while everybody was chit-chatting and all of that, she was doing the dishes from what was, you know, like the stuff that we used to share stuff and all of that. So we actually have no dirty dishes apart from these. and we don't even think these probably will just lick out this fast, or either just leave it till tomorrow or whatever. But that's basically the mode of operation. We're not doing anything tonight. He said, he said, dead out.
We just came up in the day.
Yes.
I come this is the last race game. When I play not game, we do not get my chin right by. I got my bed. Oh God.
I'll talk to you guys maybe tomorrow. Aiden is completely knocked out, like he's sleeping. So I'll catch you guys up tomorrow.